So in this problem, our first step here is we're going to want to get all of our variables on one side of the equation, all of our constants on the other. So we have a negative 10x on one side and a negative 9x on the other. So let's move one. And in this case, I know often when we're dealing with our x's, we need to do some multiplying, but we're actually trying to make a zero pair here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this negative 9x, and I'm going to do that by making a zero pair. So I have negative 9x's. What I can do is add 9x's to each side. So my goal there wasn't to get 1x. My goal there was to get a zero pair. So that's why I added here instead of dividing. So I made a zero pair there. So then what I have left is negative 1x equals negative 7. And here we are again, where we have a negative 1 times x. And so since there's multiplication, our inverse operation is going to be division. We're going to divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, so we can get our oh so coveted and beloved positive 1x, and that will equal a positive 7. And we're done.